Hey guys, it's me, Landry, here at Palm Harbor Homes in Alden, standing in front of our beautiful Magnum 70. Now take a look at this stone front, okay? On the smart paneling with the stone, this is one of our most popular, hottest items on our lot today. Let's go check it out inside, all right? And like I said, we're in the Magnum 70. Now check out this massive, massive kitchen. Even right here, it's the biggest island we have to market today. It's 8.5 feet long. Look at this color as well, okay? Comes standard with this farm sink as well, the deep farm sink. Not to mention it's the free appliances with your electric stove, as well as your awesome, awesome refrigerator. Not to mention this massive, massive Costco-sized pantry. You can't really go wrong with any kind of storage, okay? Now, one of my favorite parts about this house is definitely the master bathroom. All right, let's go check it out real quick. All right, y'all, now just take it in, okay? So we have a 72-inch shower and also with a crown molding tub. All right, now as you can see, there's your tub. All right, now come follow me. Check out this massive, massive shower. I don't think anybody's even thought, hey, how much room do I really need in a shower? Well, guess what? We got those answers covered. Even though you don't even think it's possible, we make it happen, all right? Hey, and wait, y'all, there is more. April 12th, we're having a huge, huge promo day. Free food, free giveaways, free promotions, all right? Personally, I'll be giving away a Coleman grill, not to mention free Yeti coolers, Houston Astros tickets, and even Houston Rockets tickets. So hurry in today, Alvin, 1875 Alvin Bypass, Alvin, Texas.